Please go to my channel and press the subscribe button and like the video.
Hey yo, what is up? Hey yo, what is up people? This is Trishanu'stech and you're watching Trishanu'stech. So let's start today's video. Today I'll be reviewing the Realme Buds Q2. As you can see right here, it's totally fresh, it just came today morning. So let's start the video. So yes guys, as you can see I came in a different view. Right now I opened the box right here. You can open the flaps. As you can see, right here is the lever for pulling thing. I just pulled it. These things were down. This is the paperwork. You can see. It also includes an app, so which you can download in your phone. I have already done that. And you just need to sign in, and I will show you the method for pairing it to your phone and to pair it with your app. As you can see, this is a normal USB cable. It's of yellow color. As you might know that Realme's signature color is yellow. The box as well as yellow. So it has a 20 hours lifetime. The battery lifetime is around 20 hours, and it can charge in 10 minutes. From 0 to 100 it can charge in 10 minutes, which is very astonishing. It also includes a 10mm large speaker. As you can see, it's all written there. I'm seeing it from there. So they claim that you can use this headphones also for gaming, and you can do normal calls with it. It also includes a mic, and it has Bluetooth 5.2 as usual. Let's keep all this aside and I'll show you the headphone itself. As you can see, this is the box. And yeah, you can just take the headphones out like this, and yeah, it kind of looks like an egg. It's really funny to see that. Yeah, now you can open the box like so. Over here is the charging port. You can charge it from here. Right here, if you can see, there's a small LED. It will turn red when it's not charged fully. Right here is the box. It has a magnet, so as you can see, it closes and it won't fall. It's a pretty strong magnet. And yeah, now as you can see here these are the headphones itself. Yeah, very good quality. The box itself is made up of really good quality, and you can see the headphones here. The different attachments for your ear also comes with this. Right here is the mic, and over here are the two charging ports for charging the headphone itself. And over here, if you can see, is written R, which means right. This is for the right ear. Very sleek and elegant design. I really liked it from the outside. The box feels really good in your hands. It's pretty small, so it can fit in your pocket as well. So yeah, now I'll be showing you the app. So yes guys, as you can see, this is the app, and this is also a Realme phone. It's Realme XT. This is the app right here, and as you can see, you need to sign in this. It's very easy thing. You can easily sign in, and right now you need to press this right here, and it will say you to go to settings. You can go to settings and turn on your location. After turning on your location, you can switch what type of device you want to connect to. Right now I want to connect to these headphones right here. So as you can see, there is an option as audio. You can go to audio, and there are many different options. As you can see, Realme Q2 buds. Yeah, so as you can see this. And for now, you need to put this inside the case once, and then you need to go right here, go to your Bluetooth settings, and you can see many different options right here. You need to take both of them out like so, both of these out, and so after this you need to start the scanning and pair with another device. As you can see, it found Realme Buds Q2 Nano. Just need to press it right there, and it will ask you to pair. Yes, pair, and voila, you have paired it. So yes, now you can go here, you can press next, and it's searching basically. Yes guys, so this is done searching. You can just press back, and as you can see, here is the Realme Q2 Nano. So yes, now through this what you can do is, here is extra bass mode, dynamic mode, and bright mode. This bright mode is for doing calls. Dynamic is just for listening to media, YouTube and all. And extra bass is when you listen to songs. But then the thing in this is, in dynamic mode also, the bass of this is really high, so I really don't think so you need to put it to extra bass mode, because the sound quality of these is really high, and I have already heard these ones, and I really love the sound quality. Over here you can see modes, and right here is the game mode. If you are playing games, you can just turn on the game mode right here. It's as easy as that. And others, you can go to Bluetooth settings, and you can press here, you can say like double tap. Double tap is for pause and stop, and you can customize it. It's very highly customizable headphones. You can customize it really easily by this app after connecting it, and believe it, it's really easy to connect. There's no rocket science in it. But then the only thing which I got confused with is till now that I did not get to know that whether this was on or off, because it did not have any LED on the headphones itself. Usually other headphones do have LEDs on them, so that's where I got really confused. But right here is, if you do double tap, it will be pause or else play, and triple tap is for putting in the next track. And if you touch and hold, there is an option over here which is called touch and hold. So right now you can see it's off. You can choose if you touch and hold, pause and play, next track, or whatever you want to put. I'll put it right here as voice assistant, because if you hold it for some time, then the voice assistant will get automatically on, and you can use Google Assistant. And if you're in Mac, if you're an iPhone user, then there will be Siri coming up. And right here is the touch and hold for game mode. As you can see here, these all are set. This is for the left one and this is for the right one, so you can set all different stuff for the left and right both. So yes, I really like the dynamics of this headphone and the sound quality of these headphones as well. And the app which they have included is very good. As you can see right here, it's saying connected, and it's in 100% charge as well. So yes guys, as you can see right here, I have worn these right here, and the fitting is like perfect. There's no complaint for the fittings. As you can see right here, if I shake my head also, it won't fall. The fittings is exactly perfect, and it's very comfortable if you wear it for hours as well. There's no pain in your ears. I have tried this as well. So yeah, as you can see, it's extremely comfortable and it won't fall down so easily. This is really good for sports, and it's waterproof as well, which is really good, and sweat proof as well, because obviously it's made for sports. But yes, you can't do swimming using this, so that's a disadvantage of this. So right now the headphones are in dynamic mode, and I'm playing a song right here, and the sound quality is extremely good in this, and there is a voice cancelling as well included in this. Automatically it gets on, and when you are listening to songs using these headphones, you really can't hear what other people are saying. So if you are in a crowded place, then these are very good. If you use them in daily life, it's very good. There are no complaints in that. And as you can see, it's in dynamic mode right now, and the sound quality is extremely good. The call quality and the microphone kind of, it's not so good, not top-notch microphone. Obviously it's a microphone in a headphone which is compressed in such a small area, so the microphone is not too good, but yeah, it's good. You can very well use this in calls and all. So if you switch to extra bass mode especially, and when you listen to songs, you will get really mesmerized with this. So right here are the headphones, both the headphones. Yeah. Now I'll be showing you the touch sensors on these headphones right here. They are not buttons, they are fully touch automatic. So as you can see, when you double tap on this, it starts playing, and again when you double tap, it starts it pauses. So on the both the headphones there are touch thingies. Again if you double tap, starts playing. Again if you double tap, it stops playing. And triple tap is for changing the track. So I'll just show that to you as well. 1, 2, 3. It changed the track. It went to the other song. Next it went to the next song. Again if you do 3, 3, 3, went to the next song. So yes, I'll just pause it for now. Yeah, it became pause. And now look closely. If you hold it, do a long hold on this. Voice assistant, the Google Assistant gets on right here. So yeah, and the unboxing quality of this is fabulous. No complaints in that as well. The unboxing quality is also fabulous. So yes, the link will be down in the description as usual, and go check out my Discord server. That will also be linked in the description below if you want to talk with me in live, and in or else in a video call. You can do that in my Discord server. You can just DM me. I'll be right free over there. So yes, that's it for today's video. I'll meet you in my next video, and stay healthy, stay safe, and bye bye till then.